I'm Tom Dunn of Gardens Dunn, and I'm going to show you how to use a dig water timer. We're hooking up the battery, the 9-volt, there it goes, up into the holder. Power to the device, we put the battery in, and we're going to scroll through the settings to make sure everything is set correctly. As you can see, it's come up with its own time and day of the week. So I'm going to set that first. I am going to look for that. You might want to cut there, Ian. So I'm going to scroll through the time of day, which I don't really know what time it is.
It's now 10 to 2.
So we're going to program it for 1:50. Moving the arrow to get to the next section on the same page, we'll call it, and using the minus key to take the 2 minutes off. And then we're going to change the mode. Now we've set the time, it's 1:50 p.m. So I'm going to use the mode key to roll through the different sections here. So now we should be going to, the time is set. We'll go down to the duration. So this is the time in which the manifold will be open for watering. So as you can see, it's set for 5 minutes. We're going to set this drip irrigation off for an hour. So now we're on the time duration. I'm going to put an hour in. I'm going to move forward to the minutes, and I'm going to reduce the 5 minutes in the pre-program to 1 hour. So the duration is for an hour. And then we're going to change the mode once again to choose the days of the week in which we want watering to occur. So as you can see, when I flashed through, the calendar showed up and it's the days, and Monday is flashing. In order to activate Monday, I will need to press the plus key, and that'll move me into Tuesday. So now that I'm into Tuesday, I would rather not water every day, but how about every other day? So I will use the minus key, I believe, in order to move along to Wednesday. Now we're on Wednesday, we're going to choose to water, so I'm going to use the plus key to activate Wednesday. Once again, it's moved along to Thursday, and I'm going to minus it, and it's going to move to Friday, and I'm going to add Friday as a plus. So at this point, we can either do 3 days a week or 4 days a week. And so we will choose to minus Saturday and activate Sunday. So as you can see now, the days are Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. We'll use the mode key for finish there to get down to the starts, which refers to the starting time of the program. So as you can see, we're into the start times of the program, and it says start 1. Now this timer has 4 separate programs, but we will be just activating program 1. And as you can see, it's off, and we want to change that. We would like to change that to on. So I believe we're going to use the plus key to activate that. Now it's showing at what time the program will start. So that's at 12 a.m., which is a bit of the middle of the night. We'll probably go for early morning, I would imagine. So we will go into 8. So we'll reduce that. No, we'll keep. Sorry, might want to pause. As you can see, the program 1 is off, and I'm going to use the minus key and possibly twice to activate the time. So now we're at 11 p.m. I am going to go and keep reducing. We'll go backwards. Oh, there we are. Now we're into the AMs. We've rolled through the 12 hours. Now we're doing 8, 7, probably more like a 6 a.m., 8 8? We're going for 8. So we're going for an 8 a.m. start on program 1. And then that is set, so we're going to use the mode key to continue on rolling through the different levels. So now it's telling us that the program 2, as in start 2, is off, and that's correct. This is where it can get complicated, where you can program it for multiple watering sessions on different programs depending on how specific your needs are. So we will not be using start 2, we won't be using the program 2, and as you can see I've rolled through using the mode key, and we will not be using program 3, and we will not be using program 4. I'll continue on rolling with the mode key, and that's it. It's 1:55 p.m. So we've just noticed that it is the wrong day which is occurring on the time panel, and so we're going to go through, once again we're in the time mode, and we're going to scroll forward into the minutes, and then we're going to scroll forward again, and if you'll notice up at the top the water symbol is blinking, and what we're going to do is we are going to move it along to the appropriate day, which it's Saturday at 1:56, and then we're going to continue on and get out of that mode using mode key. Rolling through duration, the days of watering, program start times, the other programs are off, and there we are, back to the running screen. So we just didn't want to leave out that in order to manually turn on the system so you can check everything, or in extreme weather you can use the hand pointer key, which will activate the watering system for the duration that we've programmed it for, and then it'll turn off again. Just like that.
Right.
Thanks, I'm Tom Dunn with Gardens Dunn, and that's how you program a dig water system.